Viewers, welcome to Adam. Here we are asked what happens to the MMF, which means the magnetomotive force when the magnetic flux decreases. Is it increases? Does it decreases? Does it remain constant or does it remain zero? Okay, so let us analyze our solution. So the magnetomotive force MMF, which represent the magnetomotive force, we can represent it by the symbol of F. Now magnetomotive force or F is equal to phi into R, where phi is our flux, magnetic flux, and R is our reluctance. Okay, so F is equal to phi into R, or magnetomotive force is equal to flux into reluctance. Now the question which which was asked to us says, what happens to this F if we decrease this phi? This is our question. The question asks us what happens to the magnetomotive force when the magnetic flux decreases. So basically it is just saying what happens to the F when we are decreasing the phi. So here we can see that F and phi are directly proportional, right? So if we decrease the F, okay, our phi, so sorry, if we decrease the phi, our F will also decrease because F is directly proportional to phi, right? So if we decrease the phi, our F will also decrease. So according to this scenario, the answer should be the magnetomotive force will decrease when the magnetic flux is decreased. But here we can see that the magnetomotive force is not only dependent upon magnetic flux, it is also dependent upon reluctance. As in the question, the term reluctance is not mentioned or any specifications of reluctance are not mentioned. We have assumed that the reluctance is constant. Okay, so in this solution the assumption is our reluctance is constant, but the scenario may arise that F is equal to phi into R. Our phi is decreasing and our R is increasing. Okay, so magnetic flux is decreasing and reluctance is increasing. So in that case, this decrease and this increase may counterpart each other, so our magnetomotive force may remains the same. Okay, so the thing is this value is decreasing, this value is increasing, so our overall value remains the same. Okay, so this is one scenario if we assume that our R or reluctance is changing. But in the question, the specifications of R are not given, so by default we are assuming that R is constant. Okay, so according to that assumption, the magnetomotive force will decrease when the magnetic flux will decrease. Okay, so our correct option will be here option number B. Magnetomotive force will decrease when the magnetic field decreases. Thank you.